Hold on, I'm gonna burp. Okay, sorry. Because I waited too long to start doing it, then I won't do it. So I'm going to start moving my stuff into my room. I have the hiccups. I have the freaking hiccups, man. I'm trying to get rid of my hiccups. But they're still there. How do you stop the hiccups from being around anymore? I don't know. I don't know how to stop them. I don't know. Okay.
Definitely them. Oh. Did you try taking 10 sips of water?
No.
Hold your nose and take 10 sips of water. These fucking cats.
I got the hiccups. I got the hiccups. My hiccups won't stop. I got the hiccups. I'm gonna smoke some weed before I go to bed and drink so much water that I think I'll be dead. I don't know.
Want me to scare you?
Yeah, you think you could?
Isn't long enough.
Cool. I got the hiccups. It's not up to me. Mom, he's fine. Love you. I got the hiccups. I got the hiccups. But I'm gonna smoke some weed. But I got the hiccups. Hiccups won't go away. But I'm gonna smoke some weed. Okay. Whew. Someone said to eat a spoonful of sugar. I don't know. I'll try it. I don't care. Yes, please. I can go get it though. I can go get it though.
I'll get it.
Thanks.
Spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down.
A spoonful of sugar make my hiccups go away.
Take 10 or 11 sips of water without breathing. They go away.
Okay. I'm gonna eat a spoonful of sugar.
Makes the medicine.
Sorry. Bitch. Water's so good right now.